Oh, hey there. Didn't notice you folks there. Well, my name's Kevin Dugas, and I'm here live at Colaisde in the Gaelic, the Gaelic College, to bring you a brand new feature that we're going to start sharing online. It's going to be our Tune of the Week feature. So this week we have a great tune, a reel, called John Morrison of Assynt House, which was composed by Peter MacLeod. And we chose this tune because it's a commonly played reel by both fiddlers and pipers throughout Cape Breton. And it's a good six-parter, nice big meaty reel to play in A minor. And it's typically played in a round style here throughout Cape Breton, but it's also notated in a very cut and pointed style as well that you may hear more in a competition setting. So we are just going to give you this tune slowly at first for some of you people who might want to try and pick it up by ear, and then I'll play it a little more up to speed the second time through, and I hope you enjoy. We'll also be including the sheet music, so you can use that to facilitate your learning as well. So here's John Morrison of Assynt House. Hope you enjoy.